Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you quick tips for beginners in digital inking. First tip is to choose the right canvas size for your project. I usually go for A3, but in this project I used a bigger size. So that's for tip number 1. Tip number 2 is what I'm doing here. I'm starting with the outline. You would want to maximize your time doing the project, so you would want to focus on the most vital and most noticeable elements in the drawing, and that would be the silhouette. That's mainly because people tend to focus or notice the big picture right away. So focusing on details early on in the project is not that productive. And you'll be stuck in doing things that people barely notice on the final output. So that's it for tip number 2. Number 3 is to use the line weights properly. What you want to do is use thicker line weights for more defined edges, and for less defined edges, use thinner line weights. For example, you would see here that the creases of the eyelids of Megara is thinner than the outline of the body. Line weights also show or interpret the distance of objects. Like if there's an object in the front and it's a bit further from the object at the back, then the line weights should be thicker. Like for example here, Hades' arm is the same thickness with the outline. I use, I think, brush size 9. And for the lines inside the silhouette, I think I used 5 up to 7 brush size. So yeah. And also for the details of Megara's dress here, since it won't be that noticeable. Okay, that's it. And for tip number 4 is I usually go over the lines after I finish. I go over the lines once again to make it thicker. Like for example here, you'll see that I'll be going over Hades' arm here to make it more defined and distinct, and to show that there's a big distance with the body. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!